Hello everyone, welcome to my channel edusphere. In this video I would like to discuss about 25 most important GK question about science. So let's check here the first question. Question number 1. Which gas is most abundant in the earth atmosphere? That is your option A is your correct option, nitrogen gas. Question number 2. What is the chemical symbol of gold? The chemical symbol of gold, it is a what? AU. So option D is your correct option here. Next, question number 2. What is the chemical symbol of silver? The chemical symbol of silver, it is your Ag. So option A is your correct option here. Question number 3. What is the chemical symbol of iron? That one you have to comment in the comment section. Question number 4. What is the process by which plants make their food using sunlight? That is your option E is your correct option, photosynthesis. Question number 5. Which planet is known as red planet? That is your option B is your correct option, Mars. Question number 6. What is the chemical formula of water? That is your option B is your correct option, H2O. Question number 7. The pH scale measures the acid or base of a substances. What does a pH of 7 indicates? That is your neutral. So 7 is your neutral, above 7 it is your base, and below 7 it is your acid. Question number 8. Who known as the father of modern physics and development the theory of relativity? That is your option C is your correct option, Albert Einstein. Question number 9. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? That is your option A is your correct option, carbon dioxide. Question number 10. Which gas is responsible for the earth ozone layer deletion? That is your option C is your correct option, chlorofluorocarbons. Question number 11. What is the unit of electric current? That is your ampere. So option C is your correct option here. Question number 12. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? That is your copper. So option B. Question number 13. What is the process by which plants release water vapor into the atmosphere? That is your transpiration. So option C is your correct option here. Question number 14. What is the chemical symbol of lead? The chemical symbol of lead is what? Pb. So option D is your correct option here. Question number 15. What is the process of liquid changing into gas at its boiling point? That is your option B is your correct option, evaporation. Question number 16. Which planet is known as evening stars or morning stars? That question number 16 also you have to comment in the comment section. Question number 17. What is the main gas in the earth atmosphere that absorbs and blocks harmful UV radiation? That is your ozone. So option D is your correct option here. Next, question number 18. Which gas is commonly used in car tires to inflate them? It is your nitrogen gas. So option B is your correct option here. Question number 19. What is the process by which liquid water turns into ice? That is your what? It is your freezing. So option D is your correct option here. Question number 20. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect and global warming? That is your option C is your correct option, carbon dioxide gas. Question number 21. What is the chemical symbol of potassium? That is your option C is your correct option, K. Question number 22. What is the chemical formula of methane and the primary components of natural gas? That is your CH4. So option C is your correct option. Question number 23. The electromagnetic spectrum, which color of light has the highest frequency? That is your option E is your correct option, red color. Question number 24. What is the chemical symbol of carbon? That is your option D is your correct option, C. Question number 25. What is the unit of force in SI system? That is your option B is your correct option, Newton. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with a friend. Thank you.